friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Spring with Spring Soulful Home. You can definitely find me under that name here on YouTube. And again, if you're new here, I definitely love for you to subscribe to my channel and be sure you turn on those bell notifications so you can be notified when I will be uploading videos, which will be every Monday and Friday. On there you can expect to find content such as, like today, I'm doing a spring cleaning video. It is going to be one of my spring cleaning series, and I am going to be cleaning in my master bathroom, my master bedroom, and our master closet, which is a disaster right now. I just can't even believe I let it get as far as it did, but I will definitely be cleaning that out and some organization in there. So I'm definitely glad you're here today. I hope this gives you some motivation to do some spring cleaning in your home. And again, I thank you all so much for watching this video today. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps support my channel. And don't forget to turn those bell notifications on. Thank you all again so much. Today's video is in collaboration with one of my sweet friends, Gigi. She also known as Thoughtful Savvy Mom here on YouTube and on Instagram. She is such a sweetheart. I just really appreciate her, and I love watching her videos as well. She's a mom to 3 beautiful daughters, very motivational videos. Be sure to watch her video once you're done with mine, and also subscribe to her channel and give her a thumbs up, as you definitely support her channel as well. Alright, so I'm just giving you just basically an overview of what my room looks like right now. That pile of clothes, now that had been sitting there for a couple days, but this is first thing in the morning. I hadn't made my bed yet. Typically on an everyday basis, that's one of the first things I do is make my bed and tidy up in my room. My bathroom was definitely due for a good cleaning, as you can see. And then my closet, when I had done my master bedroom makeover a few weeks ago, I had started putting a few things in there, hadn't gotten to putting it away, and then one thing led to another and another, and it got into the condition that it's in today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all cleaned up, take out my winter clothes, put up my spring clothes. I bought a few organizational pieces that were very cost effective, nothing fancy, just needed to add in a few things there and get everything all nice and organized. So I'd like to know, friends, do you make your bed first thing in the morning, or do you just kind of wait until you do other chores, such as maybe cleaning your kitchen, or maybe just moving on to something else? For me personally, I love to make my bed first thing. It just helps me feel like my whole room is cleaned, and just walking past my bedroom, seeing that my bed is made, just gives me this like completed feeling. Not that everything else is complete, but it just helps me feel like everything else is put together. Let me know if you make your bed first thing in the morning. So you may have noticed since I did our bedroom makeover that I now have a headboard. And me and my husband made this headboard. Yes, me and him made it. It cost us well under $100 to make it. We bought the materials needed, the lumber and a few other additional materials, but honestly it was super easy, and I'm kicking myself right now because I did not get my camera and videotape it to give you all a tutorial. We were just so excited in getting this headboard made. It was our together project, but it really, I think it took like less than a couple hours to make, just to make it, not painting it, but it was so fun making that with him, and I love it. It goes perfect with the theme in our bedroom. Alright my friends, so of course I'm sure you're noticing the green countertop. So our house was built in the 90s, and of course, you know, when we bought it, it was bank owned and we got it for a really great deal. However, you know, of course it did need some updating, which we were perfectly fine because we are definitely DIYers and we had no problem with that. So our bathroom is definitely on the list amongst many others for projects to get done, but you know, as I've mentioned before, like, it's totally usable. We have no problem with it, but we definitely have big plans for our restroom, so you know, it'll definitely be great to just watch along as we transform our home with you all. My friends, I cannot believe my sink. Like, I knew it was in bad shape, but just with everything going on, like, I had been buying extra shampoo and conditioner because it's like, it just seemed like everything was going out of stock. So I was just buying things and just putting them in there. And I'm so glad that I decided to just quickly clean under our cabinets. Again, nothing extravagant, just basically putting everything in order. And oh my gosh, look at all those soaps. So my husband would, or used to, travel out of town a lot, and he would always bring home the soaps that they leave at the hotel rooms, and it led to us having that huge bag of soaps and conditioners and shampoos. And he's like, save them, we will need them one day. So I have them all in that bag for the day we need them. So I finished cleaning my master bedroom, my bathroom, and I left the hardest for the last. Well, it's not hard, it's just a lot of work, a lot of clutter, a lot of mess. So yeah, my master closet, it's kind of sits, I don't know if you can see under there, it's kind of dark in here. There's a very deep storage under there, and I have a lot of like just things that I know I won't use, but they're kind of like memory stuff. So I have that down in there, so I'm not going to touch any of that, but I do need to get to like all of this mess here. I also am going to be taking out this right here. That's a pile. This right here, it's a pile of winter clothes that I need to put away and bring out all my summer clothes. And then all of my husband's ties. I bought like a tie organizer from Amazon. It hasn't came in yet, so I just need to, and then there's a big box back there, so it's not that big of a mess. But this is just all covers and photos. I was taking them out for my son's graduation in that box down there. They needed some baby pictures, so I took that out. And then pretty much like all of this stuff here, like I bought some organizers for my husband. When I first started this, I had just put like his socks there because I wasn't like planning on going to the store, and it stayed that way. So I bought him some different baskets, and then like all of this I had on my dresser previously, so I need to organize that, my purses and stuff, and all of my jewelry down there. I also ordered like a jewelry organizer from Amazon, and that hasn't come in. And I bought just a little collapsible storage bin to put these sandals in and a few other things. What I'm going to start by doing is taking everything out that's on the floor, and I'm going to put it on my bed. I'm also going to put away like all of my winter clothes in some boxes that I have in a storage box under my bed, and I'll hang up my spring clothes. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. Stuff out, that's fine there. My clothes, I'm gonna have to go through it, take out whatever's winter. My jackets, I am gonna just leave them there. These purses, I don't need to take them out. But I've cleared all this out. See, now you can see our floors. Down there, I've cleared out all of these shelves. That stuff, that's like my husband's childhood memorabilia stuff, so I can leave that there. But I've cleared out these shelves, taken out a few things from up there. That I'm just going to organize, and then I'm gonna just organize all of my husband's clothes here. These ties, I don't know, I might take them down, or I might just leave them up until I get that tie holder that I ordered him. So there's stuff that came out from the shelves. More stuff. And here we go. Look at that. That's intense. Oh, and then the first box I took out of pictures, I was holding it and it all fell down on the floor. So So mamas, I'd like to ask you a question. You may notice that Xbox on my bed. So I just noticed that once my kids were all done with their chores and schoolwork, like they were just spending too much time up in the room, and they had that Xbox up in their room, and I just decided to have them take it out of their room. Their older brothers have another game set in their room, and I just want to know, like, do you sometimes do that just to kind of like unplug your kids from just being in front of the TV or maybe a tablet or phone? I don't know, I just don't like to see them with, you know, just buried in games and phones and tablets all the time. So I'd like to know, do you all do that for your kids as well? My sweet friends, I thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that it brought you some inspiration to get some spring cleaning done in your home, maybe organize a space or 2 or 3. Again, thank you so much. I do appreciate your support. It means so much. It definitely helps me to grow my YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe, turn those bell notifications, and be sure to give me a thumbs up so I know that you like the content that I'm putting out for you all. You all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye-bye until we meet again.